Gina Ferwerda's new cookbook, Meals from the Mitten, shares Gina's love for cooking and explores Lake Michigan's beautiful landscapes. You guys, this book is gorgeous. I've seen it in person. You feature amazing recipes that showcase Michigan's produce, and one of those is the recipe you're going to show us today.
This was really close to my heart because I grew up with an agricultural family and then also tourism with my husband in the last 25 years. So I wanted to combine the two into a great book, over 80 recipes in Meals from the Mitten, and it really deals with everything from agriculture to tourism, everything that Michigan is all about.
When you go to the farmer's market, you're seeing food from spring, summer, fall, winter. So I wanted the food to represent that. So as you're following along in the cookbook, you're going to go to the farmer's market and see asparagus, and then you'll have a plethora of asparagus recipes to cook. Right now we're in cherries and blueberries, blackberry season. This is from my new cookbook, Meals from the Mitten. This is my cherry berry stuffed French toast casserole. Can you smell it?
Oh, I can smell it.
If you have clean hands or a nice spatula,
Yeah, just
you know,
just
and you're
with spatula.
you just want to make sure that everything
Is getting that liquid.
that nice liquid. So in my cookbook, I have about 9 recipes with asparagus. So Michigan asparagus, we are now #1 in the nation. After you go and buy your Michigan asparagus that's coming up, you want to put it straight up and down, about an inch of water in the bottom. Put this in your refrigerator. You need to keep it cold. You can also do this with a handheld mixer. Yeah, so it's really, really easy. So I'm also taking some coffee. I like French vanilla coffee.
Ooh, I like that.
And a cup of that. Let's see, 3/4 cup of milk. 2 eggs. We beat that along with some vanilla. And I'm going to have you go ahead as I'm whisking away. So you don't need a stand mixer. You can do this all by hand.
Perfect.
Half and half. Eggs, sugar, salt, cinnamon, and
Eggs, sugar, salt, cinnamon.
I've thought more half and half in the past week than I've had in my life.
2/3 cup of Parmesan and 2/3 cup of mozzarella.
Oh, all the cheese.
All
Get
of the
that in
cheese,
there.
get the cheese in there. Yes, in lemon pepper seasoning.
One of my favorite seasonings.
Oh, it is, and it goes perfect with asparagus. Hey guys, Gina here with Nom News, and we are out in Moab, Utah for the 51st anniversary of the Easter Jeep Safari. Today we are doing Flatiron Mesa Trail, and I'm gonna do some great trail food. Zoom on into this. Look at the cheese on this. Oh my goodness.
A 2018 Luna RV.
Yes, from Terrytown RV.
Okay.
And they have great specials going on. It's camping and grilling season, so I think you kind of need the outdoor kitchen.
Absolutely.
You need this whole setup. I mean, this is camping, right?